Great and amazing leaders, let us consider still on circumference of a circle. Let's see the question. Find the circumference of the circle. This is a circle given to us, and the diameter here is 14 centimeter. What was given to us here is 14 centimeter. So, and it is the diameter given to us. So our formula for state the formula you want to use. I gave you two formulas in the previous class. The first formula is C is equal to 2 pi r, and the second formula is C is equal to 2 pi into d over 2. So if you decide to use the first formula here, I said you will need to divide the diameter given to you by 2, because the length of a diameter is twice that of a radius. So you need to divide the diameter by 2 to help you get a radius already. So if we do that, if diameter is equal to 14 centimeter, then our radius will be equal to 14 divided by 2, and that will give us 7 centimeter. So if we're going to substitute that in the formula, we're going to have circumference is equal to 2 times 22 over 7 times 7. Remember I said the value for pi is 22 over 7 or 3.14. There are some questions that will demand specification that the exams will tell you to use a specific value for pi. It could tell you take pi to be 22 over 7, or the question could tell you take pi to be 3.14. So once they are able to specify the value of the pi you should be using, ensure you use that value. If the question said use pi or take pi to be 22 over 7, ensure you take pi to be 22 over 7. If the question says you take pi to be 3.14, ensure you take pi to be 3.14. So from the first formula here, we've divided 14 by 2 and we got 7. If we substitute that in the formula given to us, which is C is equal to 2 pi r, we'll be having C is equal to 2 times 22 over 7 times 7. Of course, you know that 7, we cancel out 7. And what is left is 2 and 22 upwards. So it means that our C will be equal to 44 centimeter. That is using the first formula given to us. Now to use the second formula is still the idea of substitution. So we're going to put the values in the formula. We have 2 times 22 over 7 into 14 over 2. 2 we cancel itself and 2 we cancel, but that will give us 7. So what is left is C is equal to 2 times 22 over 7 times 7. You can see that 7 we cancel out 7, and our C will be equal to 2 times 22 will be 44 centimeters. Say the 2 will give us same answer. So once you're given a particular problem to solve that has to do with the circumference of a circle, you have to decide the formula to use. If you choose to use the first formula, C is equal to 2 pi r, it goes well for you. There's no problem. If you choose to use the second formula, C is equal to 2 pi into d over 2, it is okay. There's no problem, provided you're working and you're dividing properly. So these formulas, especially this is used when diameter is given to you. So I want to believe you understood the solving of this simple problem in circumference. So if you still do not understand it properly, I would advise you to replay the video to help you get a better understanding. But I know you're going to be a true leader that will transform his world positively as you don't stop studying your mathematical problems. So see you in our next other class.